the most famous bear in North America. Meet 399. This is no ordinary bear. At 26 years old, she's the grandmother of Grand Teton. It's rare to have 4 cubs, and totally unique to have 4 at her age. This bear is famed for having at least 22 descendants. She's a big part of the grizzly bear success story in Grand Teton National Park. They enjoy protection and thrive because of the varied food sources and habitats. Numbers have increased from 136 to over 700 bears in this region since the mid-1970s. 399 may be a senior citizen, but this wise old bear knows the secret to success. Grand Teton National Park will provide just as it's done for the generations of people, plants, and animals before them.